Day 3 from our ultimate soup is vegetable soup. This soup is so tasty, you should try it. Cut and slice the vegetables. Season and grill some of the vegetables. Meanwhile, saute onions, leek and celery. Add the tomatoes, spices, bay leaves and chilli if desired. Add vegetable or chicken broth. Stir well, then add the tomato sauce. Add the grilled vegetables, parsley, then add the mixed vegetables. Mix well, then add the pasta. For some protein, add black-eyed peas or your favorite beans. Wow, now everything is set. Stir well, then simmer for 20 minutes, checking it occasionally. The last thing to add is spinach. Simmer for 5 minutes, then your ultimate vegetable soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. The recipe is in the description.